What happens if you do 20 squats every day for a month? Shocking results. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you committed to something small, simple and surprisingly powerful for just 30 days? What if you didn't join a gym, didn't buy expensive equipment, didn't follow a complicated workout plan and instead did just one movement? Today, we're talking about a challenge that sounds almost too easy to be life-changing. But most people who try it are shocked by how much their body transforms. So stay with me, because you're about to hear exactly what happens if you do 20 squats every single day for one entire month. Before we get into the science and the results people almost always overlook, here's a simple question for you. When was the last time you did a squat? For many people it was either years ago in school or during a random burst of motivation that didn't last long. But the truth is, squats are one of the most natural movements the human body was designed to perform. Long before gyms existed, people squatted every day. To sit, to rest, to cook, to gather, to lift, to survive. It is one of the very few movements that uses almost every major muscle in your lower body at once. And that's exactly why doing 20 squats a day can lead to changes bigger than anyone expects. But before I explain the benefits you'll see week by week, I want to drop a hook right here that most people never think about. What if I told you that this one simple movement can affect not just your legs, but your hormones, your posture, your pain levels and even your energy throughout the day? Because it absolutely can. And you'll understand how by the end of this video. Let's begin the journey. Imagine it's day 1. You decide to take the challenge, 20 squats every day for 1 month. You don't need a mat. You don't need a special outfit. You don't need motivation. You just get into position and start. But something interesting happens as soon as you go down into that first squat. Your brain and your body immediately react. Muscles that have been ignored for years suddenly wake up. Your glutes, your quads, your hamstrings, your hips, your lower back and even the tiny stabilizer muscles around your knees switch on. It might feel simple on the outside, but inside your body thousands of muscle fibers are firing. This takes us into our first major section. Section 1. Why squats are more powerful than most people realize. The squat is often called the king of lower body exercises. And there's a reason for that. It works your glutes, your thighs, your calves, your core, your hips and even your lower back all at the same time. Very few exercises can match that level of activation. Now here's a hook that might surprise you. Squats burn more calories per minute than many traditional cardio exercises. That means 20 squats a day can actually help with weight control and fat burning even though it's not technically a cardio workout. Every time you stand up from a squat, your body uses a lot of energy and oxygen. That forces your metabolism to stay active even after you've finished the 20 reps. Let's move to what happens during week 1. Section 2. Week 1. The wake-up phase. In the first few days, one thing will stand out more than anything: soreness. A good kind of soreness. The kind that reminds you your body is working again. This is the wake-up phase. Your legs and glutes may feel tight, and you might even notice a little shakiness as you go down. Don't worry, this is expected. It simply means your muscles are adjusting to a new routine. Here's a hook for you. Research shows that activating your glutes just a few minutes a day can instantly improve your posture and reduce lower back pain. So within the first week of doing squats daily, many people notice that they're standing a little taller, they're walking with a bit more control and their lower back feels less stiff. You might also experience a boost in daily energy. This happens because squats increase blood flow to your lower body, which helps your cardiovascular system work more efficiently. So even though you're only doing 20 squats a day, you may start feeling like someone hit the refresh button on your body. Let's move to week 2. Section 3. Week 2. The strength phase. By the time you reach week 2, something very interesting happens. The soreness starts to fade. Your muscles adapt. and suddenly, 20 squats feels easier than it did before. This is the strength phase, where the body begins building actual muscle fibers. Your glutes start to lift. Your thighs feel tighter. Your balance improves without you even trying. Here's another hook. Did you know stronger legs are directly linked to better longevity? Studies show that leg strength is one of the greatest predictors of long-term mobility and independence as you age. So when you do 20 squats a day, you're not just getting fitter. You're investing in your future. Food number 9. The colorful shields, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries. These colorful fruits are loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells from the inside. They reduce swelling, slow aging, support brain health, strengthen heart function, and boost the immune system. They also improve gut health, an essential part of reducing inflammation. But the real magic is this: berries repair oxidative damage caused by stress, pollution, poor sleep, and unhealthy foods. If you replace sugary snacks with berries for just 1 week, you can dramatically lower inflammation in your body. A simple swap, a massive impact. Food number 10. The ultimate healthy fat. Extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound so powerful that scientists compare it to ibuprofen. Yes, the painkiller. Oleocanthal reduces inflammation quickly and effectively while also protecting your heart and improving joint mobility. Just 1 tablespoon a day can help reduce chronic pain, boost brain function, and support overall health. Drizzle it over salads, vegetables, or take a spoonful each morning. It works wonders. The anti-inflammatory lifestyle. What happens when you eat these foods daily? Now imagine this. You wake up one morning and feel lighter. Your joints move easily. Your back doesn't ache. Your fingers don't feel swollen. Your energy returns. This is exactly what happens when you eat these foods consistently. Pain reduces. Swelling reduces. Mobility improves. And your entire body becomes stronger and healthier. Your immune system becomes more powerful. Your digestion improves. Your skin glows. Your mind becomes sharper. This is what happens when inflammation leaves your body. Food is not just fuel, food is medicine. At Peak Physique, our goal is simple: to help you live stronger, healthier, and pain-free, through natural solutions that truly work. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need complicated routines. You just need to give your body what it has been waiting for: real, healing, anti-inflammatory foods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more life-changing health videos. Your journey to a pain-free, inflammation-free life starts with your next meal. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Stay strong.